ดิษฐ์แหล่งประสิทธิ์ประสาทวิชาลูกหลานล้วนก้าวหน้าทุกแหล่งล่าตามชื่นชมสถานศึกษาเด่นเรามุ่งเน้นอย่างเหมาะสมคุณครูช่วยอบรมบ่มนิสัยให้สิทธิ์ดี
Hello, good morning. Good morning students and good morning parents. สวัสดีค่ะ How are you today? I am fine. Thank you and you? I'm good, thanks. Okay, students. This week our topic is trash or garbage. ขยะ okay? Teacher PPT you trash ขยะ bin ถังขยะ okay? So now teacher BB is going to teach you uses and dangerous. Uses ประโยชน์ of trash มีประโยชน์ and dangerous อันตราย okay? So what is the uses of the trash มีประโยชน์ขยะมีประโยชน์อะไร and dangerous what is the dangerous อันตราย okay? So do you know trash if is uses we can recycle is dangerous you throw and you make the dirty all area and you will make the pollution and dirty all area okay so it's the uses and dangerous okay so teacher is going to teach you about the uses and dangerous of the trash here we go we spell the first teacher will be going to spell okay U S E S uses ประโยชน์ okay and A N D and D A N G E R danger อันตราย what is the uses ประโยชน์ and dangers อันตราย of O F of T R A S H trash ขยะ so what is the uses the first teacher BB is going to use is ประโยชน์ okay what is the trash uses of the trash ประโยชน์ขยะ okay let's we go uses of trash uses of trash what is the uses มีประโยชน์ okay what is that teacher is going to teach you okay listen decoration do you know we take the plastic bottle water bottle teacher BB told you and the Pepsi bottle any bottle you can plastic bottle especially plastic bottle you can take you make that a decoration okay you grow the plant you make the vase decoration at home you put on the table you make the look you see toys okay student small kid can play this is the toy and this is the paper กระดาษ what we make basket and we make the many bowl and we basket we make from the paper and from the plastic bottle we make the like the vase and like the pot we grow the plant okay so this is the recycle okay recycle trash uses what is recycle trash so this is the uses okay energy do you know trash we take and we burn we make the energyพลังงาน energy and we use in the factory we make the product okay so this is energy พลังงาน okay we make from trash okay and the next one fertilizer what do we say in Thai ปุ๋ย and that what is that we grow the plant we put in the field the rice field and the vegetable and the grow fruits so we take this trash fertilizer okay danger D A N G E R danger of O F of T R A S H trash dangers of the trash อันตราย how is อันตราย this trash ขยะ how okay pollution all the oxygen gas we cannot breathe in because it's a pollution many trash everywhere and they make all the water pollution air pollution and the area pollution so this make dirty everything we say pollution P O L L U T I O N pollution okay and the next one disease how disease because when the trash is a lot many insects come to the trash and go to our food and they make spread some virus some germs and they make us sick okay and we become the sick and disease we sick because stomach and we have a vomiting so disease okay pollution make disease and the next one pollution if you have this one trash you not put in the trash bin you not take the trash truck is take it you throw it outside on the land so what happened dirty all area and all germs water pollution sea animal die okay so this is trash dangerous okay อันตราย okay so teacher BB go back one more time teacher BB have a repeat one more time what is the uses and dangerous ประโยชน์และอันตราย what is the ประโยชน์ of trash okay uses of the trash recycle we make the decoration piece we make the part of the plant we make the basket we make the toys okay so this is uses of the trash recycle trash we make this all okay and the next one energy the trash we take we burn we make energy and we use in the factory in the โรงงาน okay พลังงาน energy okay the next one fertilizer is the like we make a ปุ๋ย and we put in the field we grow fruit we grow vegetable and rice so we make fertilizer from trash okay trash make use for fertilizer okay fertilizer the next one dangerous what is the danger and the dangers of the trash how is the danger okay อันตราย how pollution make environment dirty oxygen not clean we cannot breathe in and all the water is dirty so pollution okay and disease because trash if you not put in trash bin you throw outside many insects go to the trash and come to our food and make us sick okay so we say disease and the next one water pollution water make the water pollution water the sea animal pollution they die they're not clean so this is students teacher BB teach you uses of the trash ประโยชน์ขยะ what is the uses danger of trash อันตรายขยะ อันตราย how is อันตราย okay dangerous uses and dangerous okay so student I hope you understand teacher BB little bit translate in Thai maybe my Thai is not good but I try my best because I want to explain you understand it okay so hope student understand parent help the student also and I'm going to stop this topic here and hope you will enjoy it all this effort I did for you and bye bye see you สวัสดีค่ะ